Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is July 1st, 2025, and we're taking a look at Meta, ticker symbol Meta. Recent news highlights Meta's new record high closing price of $738.09, driven by its aggressive AI strategy, including Meta Superintelligence Labs and hiring top AI talent from OpenAI and Google. This news has created a very bullish sentiment around the stock. The market capitalization has reached $1.86 trillion, and analysts predict continued growth. Some, however, warn of overbought conditions. Meta is seeking $29 billion in funding for AI data centers, and analysts at UBS have raised their price target for Meta stock due to these AI advancements. With all this in mind, let's look at the charts. We will discuss important price levels and things to keep an eye on. First, looking at the one-day chart, we can see the recent surge in price that lines up with the news. The overall trend has been bullish for quite some time, especially considering the recovery after April 2024's large dip to near 420. However, the recent price movement has accelerated significantly in the past few weeks. Given the strong bullish trend and the recent record high, it's crucial to identify potential support and resistance levels. Zooming in on the most recent candles, we see a potential resistance around the $748 level, which the stock has struggled to break decisively on June 30th. On the downside, a key support level to watch is around $734. If the price breaks below this, we might see a larger correction. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see intraday price action that shows volatility is quite high currently, perhaps because of the recent news. Notice how many long green and red candles there are, with many large wicks. To get an even better idea of how Meta may perform in the coming days, let's narrow down to a 15-minute chart for intraday price action, which often has less noise than an hourly chart and gives a more immediate view of things. The current price action shows a choppy trading pattern near the end of the day, indicating some indecision in the market. Now, let's recap important price levels and what to watch for. Key support is at $734. If this breaks, look for a potential move down to $730 and possibly $725. Key resistance to the upside is around $748. A sustained break above this level could lead to further gains. The likelihood of continued bullishness is high, especially if Meta continues to receive positive news flow regarding its AI initiatives, but be cautious of overbought conditions. If the funding for AI data centers doesn't come through, it would be bearish. Watch for the next earnings report and any further news regarding their AI hiring spree and AI lab developments. Good luck trading.